Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farhan bin Noramiza, and this is our group member. In this video, our group will present about the hardware part of our mini project titled Hand Crank Flashlight.
Assalamualaikum, I am Muhammad Afham bin Muhammad Affandi, and I am going to present about the casing, the switch and the resistor that we use in our model. Firstly, about the casing, we use a reusable cylinder box from the parcel that I bought. This box is very suitable to be the body part of our torchlight because it is very thick and high in endurance. The size and shape of this box is also just nice for us to put the circuit into it. To put the circuit into the casing, we cut some parts of the box to create a door, and we arrange the circuit nicely into it. The door can be opened and closed so that it will be easier for us to fix the circuit if problem occurs. Next, for the switch, we use a round panel mount latch push button in green color. We position it between the batteries and generator. Lastly, based in the proposal, resistor is used to reduce the voltage across LED if the generator is producing higher voltage than the LED can handle. But the output of the generator we use producing an average voltage of 3 volt, which is in the LED voltage range, so we do not use any resistor in our circuit.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Zaim Ashraful Iman bin Zakaria. I would like to present to you about the circuit. There are some components in the circuit which is rectifier and capacitor. A rectifier is a device that converts an oscillating to directional alternating current into a single directional direct current. The hand crank can spin both ways, which will produce both positive and negative voltage. The rectifier will ensure the output is always positive. At first, capacitor is used to suppress the ripple of a DC voltage to convert the pulsating DC to pure DC. But since the output of the rectifier is not a pulsating DC voltage, the capacitor is used, so when the hand crank stops spinning, the LED will light up a bit longer before dim.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Farhan bin Noramiza. Now, I am going to explain about the motor generator. There is a slight difference between our proposal and the generator we use now. In the proposal, we set our generator to produce 20 peak voltage, but the generator we obtain can produce around 3 voltage at average. The generator we bought comes in a set with the gears, hand crank, and the building block to piece it all together into one piece. The generator as a whole is pretty steady in itself, as we can spin the hand crank aggressively without breaking it. Another difference is that the generator we bought produces a direct current compared to our proposal, which uses alternating current as the generator. The generator is placed at the back right side of the flashlight, as most people are right-handed when spinning the hand crank. We cut up a section of the casing to slide in the generator perfectly to fit the casing. We use super glue to make sure the generator is secure in its place.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Ahmad Azkhairie bin Azwan, and I will explain on the battery part of our hand crank flashlight. There are a few changes that has been made from the proposal design to the actual product. First of all, the battery from the proposal circuit is a battery with 6 volt, while on the actual product we use 3 rechargeable batteries connected in series, resulting a total voltage of 3.6 volt. Even though the total voltage of the actual product is less than the total voltage of the proposal circuit, it is more than enough to light up our LED. The batteries are placed outside of the body for easy access. People will assume our product is fragile and not reliable, as the battery holder could fall out from the flashlight's body during extreme activities. But that won't be the case, as we use super glue to stick it to the outer part of the body. For safety reasons, we drill in 2 holes for the battery terminals, which are positive and negative terminals, and connected it to our main circuit inside the body.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hazmie bin Hasbullah. Now I will continue to explain about the white LED part. From the datasheet that we got from internet, white LED need 3.3 volt to operate. But from our testing, 2.6 is enough to light up this LED. This is different from our proposal, which we use 1 LED in the part, then 4 LED during proposal. It is because 1 LED is enough to lit up brightly, and the power usage will lower than having more LED, so it will last longer. How we connect this LED is the positive side will connect to the switch and the negative will connect to the ground. The LED is positioned at the front side at flashlight, and we use a tape when inserting the LED from outside, so it does not damage the plastic.
Okay, so bateri tak ada kat. Ya, ya, okay. Boleh pusing. Okay. So tak ada bateri boleh pusing. Settle. Okay, tekan butang. Tutup. Buka, tutup. Buka, tutup. Okay. Ya, boleh guna bateri ni. Baik lah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, tutup. Okay, buka. Okay, so dah malak kan. Lepas tu kita charge. Jom.
Kena buang tak bateri tak ya?
Tak payah, sebab kita nak ada charge bateri tu.
Ni lampu biarkan terpadam ke?
Biarkan terpadam.
Charge ni?
Charge. Okay. Baik.
Apa yang masak?
Okay, habis. Buka. Ya, nampak beza.
Nampak ah?
Terang. Nampak. Okay, buka lampu balik. Ya.
Macam tak kena banyak ah.
Nak pusing lagi?
Woi,
Lagi, mungkin sebab ni kot dia kena
kena kuat.
kena kuat kan. Dia belum.
Cantik.
Wah, mana baru terang. Wah, membuta lah dia punya kamera. Baik, okey, boleh. Buka lampu. Ya, terang. Bye, Azwan.